मैथमेटिक्स क्लास 8 SPS पब्लिक स्कूल चैप्टर फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर्स। क्वेश्चन बुक में देखकर सभी बच्चे 8th चैप्टर तक अपना काम करें। वीडियो को पॉज करके क्वेश्चन उतार सकते हैं। सभी बच्चे 8th क्लास का अपना पूरा काम करें क्वेश्चन ब्लैक पेन से और सॉल्यूशन ब्लू पेन से करें। All the students of 8th class are informed that they have to do the solutions of class chapter 1st to class 2 chapter 8. The questions must be written in black pen and answers blue pen. Solutions are in the video. These are giving by solution. Rational numbers, first chapter rational numbers. All the students carefully write the solutions of all questions of rational numbers. Problems are also solved here. All these very clearly write the statement of each problem. All problems are solved in very simple language. Powers, next chapter powers. Whole solution in simple language is given here. Questions right from the book and solve the answer in the copy below pen. Chapter 3 square and square roots. All the methods by which the question is asked is solved very simple language. By pausing the video, solve all the questions very neatly and clearly. Chapter 4 cubes and cube roots. video is moving very slowly. Solutions are all given very simply. Doing these cube roots the factors by making the pairs of 3 3. Solve the sums of the cube roots. In square root the pairs are of 2 2. In cube root the pairs are of 3 3. After doing the prime factors, do the cube roots. Chapter 8 Playing with numbers. All these doing the sums. By writing the statement, do all the questions in very simple language. All questions are solved here. Students of 8th class have to do all the questions in copy. Write the question from the book and solve the question in the copy. Chapter 6 Algebraic expression. Very simple language. All the algebraic expressions are given. Like terms are added, unlike terms not. First make the pair which terms are like and these terms are unlike. Problems of algebraic expressions. All these do in the fair copy of 8th class students. Write the problem of each question, then do the sum with blue pen. Question will write black pen. There will be not any question left from writing, from solving the copy. Video is moving very slowly. Write all the questions by pausing. Pausing video, you can write all the questions. There will not be careless doing the sums. Don't ignore doing the course. All the students are advised to solve all questions by writing the questions and attentively they have to do the sums. We have solved all the questions from the book. After do chapter 7 linear equation in one variable. These are very important. By checking the linear equation, one variable both sides, problems of linear equations, one variable are very important. Doing all these, variables are kept in the left side and the numerals are kept in right side. Solving these linear equations, problems of the linear equations are very important. Chapter 8, comparing the quantities. Loss, profit, all these are in the comparing quantities. Eighth class students of SPS do all the sums by writing the questions from the book and solve these one by one. Pausing the video. All the students of 8th class of SPS are informed that they have to do the work very carefully and not ignore the syllabus. They have to do all the work at home in the coronavirus period. Don't ignore, attentively, seriously do all the sums. Eighth chapter from first to eighth, all the students have to do. After writing the question, do the problems. These all the solutions are given here. Very simple language. Direct and indirect variations. These are also included. statements are written of all these questions. Solve after writing the question. This is last of the 8 chapters. All the students